Hi everyone, it's Christina here. Welcome back to my channel. In this week's tutorial, we're going to make a delicious vegan berries crumble. I absolutely loved it and I'm sure you will as well. If you liked the video and you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, it will mean a lot to me if you subscribe and tap that little bell. That way you get notifications every week when we put the videos up. I hope you're staying safe. Until next time, go break an egg. So ingredients for our berry crumble, we're going to have the crust. In the crust we have 190 grams of almond flour, 30 grams of oat flour. We're going to use 4 tablespoons of melted coconut oil, and I have here 2 tablespoons of sugar replacement. We're going to try and make it sugar-free. I got this from Amazon, and also a pinch of salt and a tablespoon of vanilla in the crust. So for the filling we have 200 grams of berries. You can use any fruit you want, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, and 1 tablespoon of sugar replacement. Now for the crumb on top, almost the same ingredients as on the bottom, so we're having just a bit different grams. We have 64 grams of oats flour, 32 grams of actual oats, then we got 2 tablespoons of almond flour, 1 tablespoon of sugar replacement. Again, and I use 1 tablespoon of vanilla and a pinch of salt. Of course I'm going to use my pie dish. You can use like a shallow pie dish if you want. I'm going to put it on a tray just to make sure that I don't lose any juices, and the oven is preheating at 180. So first thing we're going to do, we're going to make this lovely crust. We're going to grab a spoon, add 4 tablespoons of coconut oil, tablespoons of coconut oil. I've just added it on top, so if that happens, don't you worry, it can all be fixed. I just added it on top and just mix it all in a bit. All good. Here we go. Going in the oven now. So it's out of the oven. Put some almond flakes on top, and I let them bake as well. It's been in the oven for about 50 minutes, not 30, but it smells absolutely delicious. So I'm gonna enjoy it probably with a bit of Greek yogurt. You can have it with custard, with cream, with ice cream, of course. But yeah, hope you guys gonna enjoy, and thank you so much for watching. See you next time.